My name is Diego Ferreira. I'm from Brazil and I have been living in America now for almost 6 years. I like to draw, that's my first media, and also I like to painting. I like to do abstract painting. I'm a dancer and I make music, Japanese flute, we call shakuhachi. Forging Armors project. For me, I think that's a very interesting way to bring for people beauty, confidence, empowerment, because when I start to do this, now it's almost 6 years ago, probably that's the moment I got the feeling about, oh, that's something happening here, that's something different about feeling, After apply my art on any piece, when I went outside and when I got the reaction from people for something is going on, and I start to see the power behind my art. Because this project is 100% upcycling, I don't know how to make designs, but I like to buy second-hand clothes and just apply my art on it, and that for me make more sense now in this point of the world. We already have a lot of material to just transform in art, and I think that's the way I found to put everything together, kind of bring more colors for my artwork, also fashion, that's another thing I really love, and also be sustainable. The Forging Armors project, it's something about beauty, being beauty, confidence, happiness for people, you know what I'm saying? And I also give the opportunity for people to think about how they want to dress, and also about how they want to consume.